Today in this video I'm Ms. Rishika. Today in this video I'm going to teach you all the errors which is affecting the trial balance, which according to the lesson the journal for grade 9. So earlier videos if you have watched, I have done until the errors which is not affecting the trial balance. So the other half, errors which is affecting the trial balance, I'm going to teach you in this video. So I have given some examples, errors which is affecting the trial balance. There can be additional errors. There can be making only one entry. That means there are two entries, debit and credit entries. But when you are recording or when the bookkeeper is recording, he has done only the debit, either the debit or the credit entry. So another example is entered a wrong amount only on the one side. That means the amount was 50,000. He has credited 50,000 correctly, but in the debit entry he has written 15,000. So these are examples of errors which is affecting the trial balance. So when those affecting errors are there, a special account occurs we call the suspense account. So suspense account is there in the general ledger, where you record the amounts temporarily until the business find out what are the errors that they have done. So it's a temporary account. So however, as soon as after recording in the ledger accounts, when you start to balance off the ledger account and when you transfer all the amounts to the trial balance, after you start to tally the trial balance, if the trial balance, the debit column is not agreeing with the credit column, then what you will start to do, the business bookkeeper will start to find out why there is an error, why the debit column of the trial balance does not agree with the credit column of the trial balance. So after they have searched for few days or few hours, if they couldn't find out the errors, then what they will do, to agree the debit side with the credit side, they will put the amount which there is a shortage, they will put that in a special account called suspense account. So if they find out a shortage in the credit side, there will be a credit balance. Then when they are making the financial statement, you will be learning in future videos, in the financial statement it will be shown under current liabilities. But if they find out a shortage in the debit side, or that there is a debit balance, then it will be written on the current assets. So until they find, this will be kept inside the suspense account. So there will be errors. There are two types of errors. One error is there's only one error occurred, then you will find out the error and you will correct the error. The other type is so many errors are there for the shortage of the trial balance. So you will find more than one error and you will start correcting them. So first we'll see how to correct when there is only one error. So there is an example here. There was a difference of 40 pounds on the credit balance on the trial balance. That means when you are tallying the trial balance, the debit side had a greater value than the credit side. That means there was a shortage on the credit side for 40 pounds. So the trial balance was on 31st March 2017. So the error was found, the revenue account was undervalued for 40 pounds. So because they have undervalued the revenue account by 40 pounds, because of that only there was a shortage on the credit side of the trial balance. So there are two steps that you have to follow when you have to correct the error. The first step is, first you have to open the suspense account. You have to open the suspense account and you have to transfer the balance. Transfer the shortage balance. Okay? You have to transfer the balance. Then secondly only you have to correct the error. Okay? So we'll find out. So when they were preparing the trial balance, they got a shortage on the credit balance. So the suspense account, the shortage was found on the credit side. So here as trial balance or as balance on 31st March, they will write 40 pounds. So this is the suspense account. It's just a temporary account. That means it is there, the suspense account is there until you all find out, until the business find out what are the errors that they have done. So when they were making the trial balance, when they are trying to agree the trial balance credit column with the debit column, they have found out that there is a shortage on the credit side. So first step, you have to open a suspense account and you have to transfer the amount. So there is a shortage on the credit side, so it will be credited to the suspense account. So finally, we'll assume 2nd of January, they have found out the error was the revenue account. Error was there in the revenue account because they have undercasted. So normally when we are recording in the revenue account, revenue we are assuming as a income account. So always income will be credited. So this is an undervalue. That means you have lost it by 40 pounds. So what will happen? It has gone down. So what you have to do is you have to add. So revenue is an income. So to increase or to add, you have to, on 2nd of January, you have to write here suspense account 40. Okay. So the error was found in the revenue account because it was undervalued. Undervalued means you have to increase the revenue account. So to increase revenue is an income. So income when increases, it will be credited. So here you have to credit 40. Then there is no other account. So what is the account? You have to debit it. You have to debit it to the suspense account. So it will be debited to the suspense account on 2nd of January 40. Okay. So the suspense account, I have told you all, suspense account is a temporary account. So as soon as you correct the error, the suspense account will be closed down. Then now we are going to write the journal entry. So I have told you the second use of the journal is to correct the error. So these are the errors which is affecting the trial balance. So what is the error? To correct this error, the undercasting of the revenue account. Already you know there are 3 columns, debit, credit and the date. Okay. So the error was found on 2nd of January. So to correct the error, you debited the suspense account. So suspense account, and you have to credited the revenue account. So revenue account will be credited. So the amount will be 40. And sometimes they might ask you to write the narrative. The narrative will be revenue undercasted by 40 pounds, now corrected. Okay. So the first example was only one error. Okay. So when they were trying to tally the trial balance, they have found out there is a shortage on the credit side. So as soon as they find out, they try to find the error, but they couldn't. So what they did was they temporary account entered the suspense account. So they opened a suspense account. There is a shortage on the credit side. So that credit amount 40 pounds they credited to the suspense account to make the trial balance agree. So after that 2nd of January, they found out the error was in the revenue account. They have undervalued the revenue account by 40 pounds. So to correct the error, they have to credit the revenue account and they have to debit the suspense account. So as soon as they correct the error, what happens? The suspense account was closed down. Here you have to write the revenue as the detail. So the journal entry will be suspense account was debited by 40 pounds. The revenue account will be credited by 40 pounds. As the narrative you can write the revenue which has been undercasted by 40 pounds now corrected. So there was only one error. Okay, for the 40 pounds shortage, because of one error only there was a shortage on the credit side. Now we'll see when there are more than one error what to do. Okay, so first we'll look at the example. A business's trial balance at 31st December 2016 shows a difference of 77 pounds on the debit side. So early example, the shortage was on the credit side, but according to this example, the shortage is on the debit side. So errors were found, okay, errors were found on 28th of February 2017. So what they did, as soon as they found out that the trial balance is not agreed for 77 on the debit side, they agree that by opening a suspense account. So then on 28th of February they found out these are the errors. Because of these three errors only there was a shortage on the debit side. First we'll read. The first error was a check of 150 paid to L Park was correctly entered in the cash book but not recorded in L Parker. So only one error was written, on the other error was omitted. So only one error. And the other one is the purchase account was undercasted. So purchase account 20 pounds undercasted. For an example, if it was 120 but they have recorded as 100. So 20 pounds was undercasted in the purchaser's account. In the third error, a check of 93 received from K Croatia was correctly entered in the cash book but not entered in Croatia's account. So one error, there should be two entries, but only one entry was recorded in the cash book but they have not recorded in the Croatia's account. So only one entry was recorded, the other entry was omitted. So we'll see how to correct those errors. So first step, you have to open a suspense account. You have to open the suspense account and you have to transfer the shortage which was found on the trial balance. So here the trial balance, the difference was 77 on the debit side. That means when they were trying to agree the trial balance, they have found out that there is a shortage on the debit side. So that 77 pounds will be recorded on the debit side. So it will be 31st December 77. Here you can write balance or trial balance. Okay, so the shortage was on the debit side, that's why we have to write on the debit side of the suspense account. Now one by one, workings I'll do here and I'll show you how to record them in the journal. Okay, so this 77 pounds shortage, the first error was a check of 150 pounds which they paid to L Park was correctly entered in the cash book. So as soon as you pay using a check, bank goes down and the person to whom you are paying, it decreases as well. So the double entry should be okay, when you pay a check from cash book or from the bank account, it will be credited and L Parker's account should be debited. But the bank account was correctly entered, so there is no error in the bank account, but the bookkeeper or the person who was recording has forgotten to debit the L Parker. So what you have to do to correct the error, you have to record 150 on L Parker's account, and what is the other account left to credit? There is only suspense account, so suspense account will be credited as L Park. So the error was found on 28th of February. So 28th of February, that's 150 will be debited as suspense account. Okay, so a check paid for L Parker was correctly entered in the cash book. So the entry is cash book should be credited and L Parker's account should be debited. So the credit entry has been correctly entered. So they have omitted or they have forgotten to debit the L Parker. So to correct the error, you have to debit the L Parker's account. So the one and only account to credit is there? Only the suspense account. So suspense account will be credited 150 as L Parker, and L Parker's account will be debited as suspense 150. Now we'll record the journal entry. So as soon as you correct the error, you have to write the journal entry as well. So the error was found on 28th. So 28th itself you will correct the error. So L Parker's, to correct the error, L Parker's account was debited 150 and suspense account was credited 150. So the narrative can write check paid to L Parker, which omitted from L Parker's, which was omitted from L Parker's account, now recorded. Okay, so to correct the first error, you have to debit the L Parker's account and you have to credit the suspense account. So the first error was corrected. Then the second error was on the purchaser's account. Okay, second error was on the purchaser's account. The purchaser's account was undercasted, that means undervalued. So you have to undervalue means that 20 pounds you have to increase. So purchase is an expense account. So expenses to increase, you have to debit the 20 pounds. So the error was found on 28th of February 20. So purchases were undervalued. So to overvalue it or to add it, increase, it's an expense account. So to increase it, you have to debit the purchaser's account. So there is no other account to credit. So one and only account is there, is the suspense account. So it will be credited as purchasers 20 and purchasers will be debited as suspense account. Okay, so to correct the second error, which there was a undercastment in purchaser's account, to undercast that 20 pounds you have to increase, so you have to debit the purchaser's account, and one and only account to credit is their suspense. So suspense account will be credited as 28th of February as purchasers 20 and purchasers account will be debited as suspense 20. So the journal entry will be the same date. Purchasers account was credited. Purchasers account was debited and suspense account was credited as 20 and 20. And narrative, as narrative you can write undercasted purchasers account now recorded. Undercasted purchasers account now recorded. So here you can see to correct both errors I have used the same journal. No need to write in separate journals. So you can use the same journal to correct the errors. Now we'll see how to correct the last error. Last error, a check of 93 pounds received from K. Krasia was correctly entered in the cash book. So there is no error in the cash book, but the bookkeeper has forgotten to record in Krasia's account. So normally when you receive a check, we'll record in the cash account. Cash account, cash goes up, so it will be debited to the cash account. The person from whom you receive, that means according to this example, from K. Krasia only you received, so that person's account will be credited. So what they have done, the bookkeeper has correctly entered in the cash book, so there is no error in the cash book, but he or she has forgotten to record in the Krasia's account. So to correct the error, what you have to do, the K. Krasia's account on 28th February, amount 93 should be credited, and to correct the error, the one and only account to debit is suspense. So suspense account will be debited as K. Krasia 93. Here 28th, here the Krashia's account will be credited as 93 as suspense account. So in the third one, a check from whom they have received, the business has received from Krashia, they have correctly entered in the cash book. That means cash book was debited, but the bookkeeper has forgotten to credit the Krashia's account. So to correct the error, we have to credit the Krashia's account and we have to debit the suspense account. So now we have to write that in the journal. The suspense account was debited and K. Krashia's account was credited by 93, and as the narrative you can write, check received from Krashia, check received from Krashia omitted from her account, from Krashia's account, now entered or now recorded. Narrative, you can write the short form or the summary of the transaction. Okay, so there was a shortage on the debit side of the trial balance of a business. So what they did, as soon as they find out the debits, there is a shortage, they couldn't find out the error. So what they did, to make the trial balance agree with each other, they opened a suspense account and they debit the amount to the suspense account. Then after few months, on 28th of February, they have found there were, because of these three errors only, there was a shortage on the debit side. So they found out on 28th of February and they started to correct them. So there was a check 150 paid to L. Parker which was correctly entered in the cash book but not recorded in the L. Parker's. So to correct it, you debited the L. Parker's account and you have to credit it to the suspense account. And the second error was the purchase account was undercasted, so you had to increase or you had to add it. So the purchaser's account was debited and the suspense account was credited. And the last error which was found on the K. Krashia's account, you receive a check from K. Krashia but you have recorded correctly in the cash book but not entered in the Gracia's account. So to enter it, to correct the error, you have to debit the suspense account and you have to credit the Gracia's account. Now finally what you can see, I've told you earlier, suspense is a temporary account. So if you have done the sum correctly, your debit side should agree with the credit side. Now if you add these two, you'll be able to see the both side, you'll be getting 170. So that's why it's called a temporary account. It will be there until you find out the error. As soon as you find out and correct all the errors, the suspense account will be closed down or cancelled. Okay, so I hope you understood. These are the errors which is affecting the trial balance. It differs according to the sums, but as soon as they give you the suspense account, the first step what you have to do is, you have to enter it, you have to open a suspense account and you have to enter the shortage. If the shortage is there in the credit side, then you have to credit it to the suspense account. But the shortage, if the shortage is on the debit side, then you have to debit that amount to the debit side of the suspense account. Then after that, they'll be giving you why there is a shortage of one of those sides. Then you have to correct those errors, and if the correction of the errors, you have to write them in the journal. Okay, the workings is, if you need, you can do the workings, so there won't be errors in your workings. After that, you have to write the journals. Then if you have done the sum properly, if you have corrected the errors, the suspense account, both sides, the debit and the credit sides will tally or agree with each other. Now here, according to this one, the both side agrees for 170. So it's a temporary account. Because of that, as soon as you correct the errors, the suspense account will be cancelled. So I hope you understood this lesson. The journal lesson is over from this video. I'll be hoping to do the statement, financial statement and depreciation in the next video. So I hope you understood the lessons. What you have to do is, you have to learn how to find the error type and how to correct the errors using the journal. Okay, so children, I hope you understood very well. This will be the last video for the journal. Go through the first 2 videos as well. Thank you children, and God bless you.